babies. Your Inam is here. Yes. Today we are going to do letter T. Letter T. This is the 11th consonant. Okay. The first row is K and the second one is Ch and the third row we starts with T. Letter T. Okay. Ta say tomato. Tomato यानी tomato. Okay. Tomato. Ta say tomato. See here. This is tomato, right? This is say tomato. Now look at the board. Red line, blue line, red line, right? This is your 4-rule notebook. And a small standing line from red line till the halfway like this. After that, a C curve. Okay, that's the second blue line. And a sleeping line on top of it. This is ta. What is it? Ta. Ta say tomato. Tomato yani tomato. Okay, keep that picture in your mind and start practicing, start writing this in your notebook and keep practicing. While practicing, you should say and write. Okay, like ta say tomato. Okay, babies.